Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a furniture flip. I am going to be reupholstering this little footstool I purchased from my local thrift store for $2. So if you'd like to see its transformation, just keep watching. So when I saw this little footstool in my local thrift store, I immediately fell in love with it and I had to get it. And it was only $2. It had been reupholstered once before, so the first thing I did was start removing that fabric. After removing the first layer of the upholstery, I uncovered the original fabric that was on this footstool. It was this vintage floral pattern. So a while back, I purchased a large roll of upholstery fabric from my local thrift store, and it was only $3.99. I have already used most of the fabric, but I had this bit left. It's a really nice quality cream tan color, and I think it will match great with the wooden legs of the footstool. So I laid the fabric out over the footstool to get the right size that I needed, and I cut away the excess. Then I gave the fabric a good ironing to help remove any of the wrinkles. So I grabbed a heavy-duty staple gun and loaded it up and started stapling the new fabric on. After I had it all stapled on, I used scissors to cut away the excess fabric from along the edges. I got this cotton rope from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using it as a kind of trim around the base to help cover the staples. And I just used a hot glue gun to glue the rope onto the footstool. And for the finishing touches, I used a measuring tape to measure to the middle of the footstool, and I'm going to be using a stencil with this metallic gold color to stencil a B shape onto the fabric. And here's the final results. The footstool looks super cute in my living room and matches nicely with the cottage theme. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for hanging around and watching this video. Be sure to check out my channel for other crafting, DIY, furniture makeovers, all sorts of stuff. And while you're there, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and we will see you guys next time.